case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard a 2006 case, United States v. Hill, which centered around the necessity for the government to follow proper legal procedures, including obtaining a warrant with sufficient probable cause when conducting searches and seizures of private property. The case involved Justin Hill, who pleaded guilty to possessing child pornography but challenged the admission of evidence obtained in violation of the Fourth Amendment. The police had seized Hill's computer, storage media, and work orders with a warrant to search a computer repair shop. The district court ruled against Hill's motion to suppress the recovered evidence, and he conditionally pleaded guilty while maintaining his right to appeal. The appellate court found the warrant in the case to be overbroad, but eventually upheld the search as lawful and fair, and allowed the seized evidence to be used in the case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.